What's up, my beautiful people, my precious people, my people, my people. In today's video, I want to show you how I prepare vegetable stew for my beautiful family. I'll be posting yours send me your email address so that when the food gets done, I'll send you your own through email. So this is Mazi in the kitchen today. So let me show you the ingredients and all that we're going to be, cooking in a pot. Just again. Let me show you. This is our cucumber. This is our spring onion, tomato, carrots, onion, crayfish, pepper, cucumber, and our seasoning. Okay, let me also show you the meat. This is the meat, intestine. That's what we're going to be making use of. So step back and watch and see Mazi cook for his family. Family is here. Say hello. Hello. Joseph is here.
Hi.
Divine.
Hey, what's up?
So we're all in the kitchen trying to prepare the delicious sauce for everybody to eat and enjoy. So what else? First thing first is to boil our meat. Like the way I do, I enjoy cooking I have to, boil it for some minutes before adding water. It's called steaming. I have to steam it before adding water. So let me show you the ingredients that I'm going to be using to boil the meat. I'm going to be adding little of this crayfish. I'm going to be adding little of this onions. This is our pepper. I'm going to be adding little of this pepper. Come over very much. This is our seasoning. Now let me put on the fire. Now look at our meat. So our meat is ready. Let me show you guys how I cooked the meat. Here's our meat. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to turn the meat to another pot while I use this pot to fry my oil. I'm going to use this pot to fry my oil. So watch out. Okay. Right now what I'm about doing is to fry this tomato I have to fry this a bit, and I like frying my crayfish. I don't know if you also like frying your crayfish a bit so that it can bring out very good taste. What I go? I'm frying. I put it in the onion. Something. I know many of us may not understand why I do it. Let's see how it is. Pepper cozy. Right, the tomato comes in. This is vegetable sauce. You don't need to. This is vegetable stew. You don't need to fry anything that much. So as it is now, other vegetables will be coming in. The cucumber will come in now. This is the spring onion. The spring onion comes in. Water. It's vegetable. You don't need to cook everything that much. Cucumber comes in. Look at the face of my vegetable stew, vegetable sauce, whatever you want to call it. It's allowed. So what comes in next is the cabbage. Cabbage and carrots. Cabbage and carrot comes in now. Cabbage. Oh, I think this cabbage is much. I have to reduce it. So you can see. Then the cabbage is much. Now the meat comes in. Then this pot is small for this. See? I'm going to be exchanging the pots because this pot is small. I won't stir it, so it's a problem. So let me get another pot. This is the base of our vegetable sauce. This is how it is. So have to parboil it for, have to boil it for, or cook it. Cook it for like 20 minutes. 20 minutes is much. 10 minutes. 10 minutes is much. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is much. Shops. Good to hear. So is that conversation? Hello, my people. We are done cooking our vegetable stew. I am Beverly. We cooked it. We cooked the food. I, Beverly, Joseph, and Divine. We cooked the food. So let me show you the stew. How it is. Sauce. And how yummy it's looking. It's looking yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. So, if you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. If you don't subscribe, Beverly, what are you going to do? Eh? You tell them hello. Tell them hello. If you don't subscribe, tell them hello. Subscribe. Subscribe. Hello. Subscribe. I say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. This girl. This princess. 2 eyes.